Hello everybody, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel, another episode of Dickin in the Shed. Hey Bohannon, I know you hear me. See, he's walking fine, it's just cold weather, had him stove up, you know what I mean? You want to speak? Speak! 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 Well, anyway, we'll take him to Speaking 101 again, and you can run that intro. Yep. We'll dick it around. Today's project is air compressor. We got to fix my air compressor. The little thing in here broke before that controls how much air pressure you put out to your lines on your air compressor, not the truck air, the portable air compressor, the Husky Home Depot special. So yeah, let's fix that because I need it to use my nail guns when my next project, or maybe the next project after that project. I haven't got the wood yet. I move you over here. Yeah, but as Nona Grace says, when it rains a lot, it's squishy. It's squishy. Yeah, it's squishy. All the water sits right in here, and we had a lot of rain, so yeah. So I just letting it warm up. We ain't doing. Well, I guess I could show you what I do. Yes, I could do you that. Show you that I redid the interior. Did a second trial of it. And what I did, I pieced it. Let me get you in here. Professional how we move it. So I kind of did the sides, top. So like I said, you won't see all that mess over there. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You think it looks pretty good? Like I said, once the dash is back, the glove box is back on, everything's smoother. And yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of glare, but you know, I sacrifice that for the looks. I just like doing this. I play with it too much. Alright, first step is I gotta get this. Yeah. I let the air out. I gotta get this off to get this off to get this off. Well, no, I gotta get this off first. I need this nipple. Guess I could just use my crescent wrench here, or monkey wrenches. You call them either crescent wrench or monkey wrenches. What do you prefer? Adjustable adjustable wrenches. Make sure you know these adjustable wrenches come in metric and standard. Let me go cut the truck off. Let's get in here and take this off. I couldn't move this out where I could work on it. I can move this. Why do all that when you do it just right? We over here at my workbench. Workbench. Needing some Teflon tape, which I got plenty. Well, I don't know if I got plenty of it, but I got some. It helps. So let's You know, I've never been good at wrapping this Teflon tape. I always wrap it the wrong way. They say you're supposed to wrap it the opposite way of the threads, I think. Or am I opposite of that? I don't know. So that's all the Teflon tape we need. Put it back in there. Now I know where it's all at. Gauge. Gauge on right now. Get my metric adjustable wrench. Oh, I should have went there. Yeah, let's tighten that down good and tight. Mailman. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I see people. Let's move over here. I'm hoping work kind of hoping work won't call. I go riding. My truck's only running on 5.5 cylinders, 5 and questionable. That's what they told me. The number 4 injector was questionable. Okay. So it's not skipping too bad now. If they need you to go back out, it won't hurt nothing. Well, I hate to get out there and it quit on me. I believe I can make it work. Yeah. Put it this way, I'm making it work. Come on, one more time. Bingo. Ha 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 ha. Will it hold air? Be right back. When that fills up, I'll let you know.
Once I was working no play, right? I had to play some. I know, still don't get one. Single spin out of that side. Deeper.
Some air pressure in. Uh-oh, I lost something. But I got 2 out of that one. Oh well, I heard the compressor kick off in the building. So let's go see. All right, we're back on the inside of compressor. It's kicked off. It's on. Well, you know what? I put my cage upside down. That's all right. I'll live with it. So I can turn it. Put as much as I want to coming for my guns and stuff. So So it works. Thank you. I can adjust how much I put in my, because on the air gun, Dale gun, you don't want to, you can adjust how far you shoot your nail in, and if you got too much pressure, you shoot it through the board. But it works. I have nothing to air up. But put that off so I don't feel no air leaking. So win-win. Win-win. Win-win-win. Well, that's all we got for this episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. I guess I could. We'll wait a minute and we might do another episode. You'll see next week maybe. Depends what I feel like. Gotta get them lights right here put on. That's gonna be a pain. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna put them. I really don't want to, but anyway, yeah, it's not none of your business, right? You can check out that video there. And that one. Hit the subscribe button, it's free. We'll catch you on another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed.